Our design provides space for 150 people and houses secure data servers. It is located in London due to its appealing working environment, excellent soil conditions for pile work, and extensive construction site of 17,000 square meters. The main building will have a gross area of 3,000 square meters, providing 23 square meters per person and an additional space for data servers. The parking lot will have a gross area of 2,400 square meters, sufficient to provide parking spaces for all employees. The 2 floors above ground are for security, reception, and low priority offices. The other 3 floors are reserved for high priority offices, and these start at 6.5 meters below ground to completely dissipate the impact of bombing on the surface. Secant piles will be made along the basement perimeter. Then we will excavate 1 floor at a time and place temporary anchors along the way for stability. Then the underground structure will be built by hybrid concrete construction. Any voids will be carefully filled back with soil. Part of the excavated soil will be placed at nearby parks around the area. Around our structure there is a steel truss that forms a dome structure in order to dissipate the expansion wave of an explosion. The truss is covered by blast-proof glass. We have designed trapezoidal concrete structures along the perimeter and in front of our main building to minimize the damage of a large-scale explosion. Its 60-degree angle inclination will deviate the expansion wave away from the building. We have elevated a perimeter around the main building by 0.5 meters above the ground surface by making use of part of our excavated soil. This will prevent any vehicles from getting closer than 40 meters away from it. 2 water tanks will be placed directly underneath the ground floor and will have a capacity of 12 liters each. These will be monitored continuously for tracing contaminants. For more information about our design, refer to our report and drawings.